Types of surds. Objective. Types of surds. If x is a positive real number which cannot be expressed as the nth power of some rational number, then the irrational number which is the positive nth root of x is said to be a surd or a radical. Let's learn types of surds. Simplest form of surds. Examples: cube root of 135. Its simplest form is 3 into cube root of 5. Fourth root of 1875. Its simplest form is 5 into fourth root of 3. Sixth root of 8 equals to sixth root of 2 cube equals to root 2 is the simplest form. Quadratic surds. Surds of order 2. Examples: root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, and so on. Cubic surds. Surd of order 3. Examples: cube root of 2, cube root of 12, and so on. Biquadratic surds. Surd of order 4. Examples: fourth root of 5, fourth root of 9, and so on. Like surds. Two or more surds are called like surds if they have or can be reduced to have the same irrational or surds factor. Examples: root 5, 4 root 5. Unlike surds. Two or more surds are called unlike if they are not similar, that is, radicands as well as index are different. Examples: root 2, root 3, root 5. Pure surds. A surd which has unity as its only factor, the other being irrational, is called a pure surd. Examples: root 3, root 15, sixth root of 8, and so on. Mixed surds. A surd which has a rational factor other than unity, the other being irrational, is called a mixed surd. Examples: 2 into root 3, 5 into fourth root 3. Simple surds. A surd consisting of a single term is called a simple surd. Examples: root 2, 3 into fourth root 5, 4 by 3 into cube root of 6. Compound surds. An algebraic sum of two or more surds is called compound surds. Examples: root 2 plus root 3 minus cube root of 4, root 5 minus cube root of 7, etc. Monomial surds. Single surd is called monomial surd. Examples: cube root of 2, root 5, 6 by 3 into cube root of 3, and so on. Binomial surds. An algebraic sum of two simple surds or a rational number and a simple surd is known as a binomial surd. Examples: 6 plus root 11, root 3 plus root 2, 5 plus cube root of 7, cube root of 2 plus cube root of 7. Trinomial surds. An algebraic sum of three simple surds or the sum of a rational number and two simple surds is known as a trinomial surd. Examples: 3 plus root 5 plus root 3, 7 plus root 3 minus root 11, cube root of 9 minus cube root of 6 plus cube root of 13. Equiradical surds. Surds of the same order are called equiradical surds. Examples: root 7, root x, root 3. Non-equiradical surds. Surds of different orders are known as non-equiradical surds. Examples: root 7, cube root of 5, fourth root of y. Illustration. Express 3 by 4 into cube root of 128 as pure surd. Solution. 3 by 4 into cube root of 128 equals to cube root of 3 cube by 4 cube into 128 equals to cube root of 27 by 64 into 128 equals to cube root of 54. Express fifth root of 96 as mixed surds. Solution. Fifth root of 96 equals to fifth root of 2 power 5 into 3 equals to fifth root of 2 power 5 into fifth root of 3 equals to 2 into fifth root 3.